to Jetta's Kitchen. Today we're going to make Jetta's Peppermint Bark. It is so easy to make and they make great gifts for your friends. For Jetta's Peppermint Bark, you will need a baking sheet. This is 12 inches by 17 inches, 2 packages of dark chocolate melting wafers, 2 packages of white chocolate melting wafers, some peppermint extract, and some candy canes. Let's get started. Line the pan with tin foil. This will make the candy come out easier. Spray it with a vegetable oil such as Pam. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Spread the dark chocolate wafers over oil in the pan. Spread them out a little bit. Place this in the oven for about 5 minutes until the wafers are melted. While you're waiting for the dark chocolate to melt, place the candy canes in a plastic bag and crush them. You want to have about a cup of crushed candy canes. When the candy comes out of the oven, spread it with a spreader to smooth out all the candy. You don't want to get it too thin. Now we can have it cool. We can either put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, or if you have a cold patio, and we'll let it harden. While the dark chocolate is cooling off and getting hard, we're going to melt the white chocolate in a double boiler. You don't want to melt this in the microwave. When this is melted, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. You want to take it off the fire so it doesn't dry up. Let this melt a little bit more. I've taken the chocolate out of the refrigerator. Now I'm going to pour the white chocolate on top of it and spread that around. Now that you have your white chocolate and it's still wet, you want to pour your crushed candy canes on top of it. You want to let this cool before we break it up. If you can find the dark chocolate mint wafers, use that on the bottom layer of the pan and omit the peppermint extract from the white chocolate. Now that the chocolate is a solid, remove the tin foil and break up the bark. You are ready for an easy holiday treat now. Keep them for your family or pack them in gift bags to give to your friends. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.